Okay, dear children, next I show you a very important and very nice activity. How to write the letter L. Do you know how to write the letter L? Okay, all of you please stand up and come with me. Okay, then dear children, show me your hands. Very good. This right hand and this left hand. All of you please go close your all fingers. Very good. Close your fingers. Then show me your right hand first. Very good. Then check out your index finger. Your mummy finger. Very good. Show me your index finger. This is your mummy finger. Alright. Very good. All of you show me like this. Yes, very good. Next, you please show me your left hand. Then check out your very good tiny finger, baby finger. Now, mummy finger and baby finger will join together like this. Yes, very good. Which letter is this? Look like L. A long standing line and short sleeping line. Tell me, dear children. Very good. Long standing line and join on short sleeping line. The standing line and sleeping line make letter L. What is the beginning sound of the lion? L. L letter sound L. L sound L. Very good. This is the letter capital L. L sound L. This is the letter capital L. L sound L. Okay, very good. Next, I think you need writing. Correct? Now I show you how to write this letter in the notebook. Okay? This is our 4-line book. This is our 4-line book. The first line red line, second line blue line, third line blue line, again fourth line red line. We have 4 lines. We have 4 lines, but we need only 3 lines because now we learn the letter capital L. Capital L is uppercase letter. Capital L uppercase letter. Uppercase letter always starts from the red line. First up line. Up line. Top of the red line. That's why we need only 3 lines. Look here. We need only 3 lines. Now I show you how to write the letter L. Please watch carefully. Okay. Look here. Start from your pencil. Please touch your pencil. Here. Look. Touch here. The red line. Please touch your pencil. Yes. Red line. Point here, then come down and make the standing line. Down and draw one long standing line till the second blue line. Till the second blue line. Then stop. Start from the red line and stop till the blue line. Then again please join the blue line. Then here draw one short sleeping line, stop. Short sleeping line, stop. Again, do it again. Touch your pencil, red line. Then draw down the standing line, stop. Then join and draw the long, short sleeping line, stop. This is a way to write the letter L, capital L. Once more, look here. Touch your pencil. A red line, then start from the red line, come down till the blue line, stop. The standing line. Then touch here, then join and draw the short sleeping line, stop. This is the way to write the letter L. What is the sound of letter L? Tell me. Right. L. Lion, lotus, ladybug, lemon, leaf. Okay, Okay. Now you want to write your notebook? Yes. Okay, dear children. Please take your English notebook. Please take your English notebook. Yes, very good. Then please check your pencil. Where is your pencil? Check your pencil. Okay, next I will show. Let's write in the notebook. All of you please check your English notebook. Check your notebook. Yes, very good. Then please sit your proper chair. Please sit your chair. Yes. First you please one by one come with me. Okay, now I will show you how to write the letter L. Okay, dear children. Okay, please come. Then look here. This is our English notebook. These are L sound pictures and I wrote the letter L, capital L. Okay, please keep your book always eyes to eyes. Please keep your book. Keep your in front of your table. Then please hold your left hand. Then hold the notebook properly. Then check your pencil. You please take your pencil and check the pencil has a nib sharply. Please check pencil has a nib sharply. Yes, very good. Next, hold the pencil. Then start from the red line. Start from the red line. This is a red line. Point the red line. Then come down, standing line till the blue line. Till the blue line. Then put small sleeping line. Stop. This is a way to write the letter L. Again, touch your pencil. Red line. Then standing line. Stop the second blue line. Then join and draw the sleeping line. Again, touch your pencil the next red line. Then standing line. Then sleeping line. Stop. Again, touch your pencil red line. Then standing line. Stop the sleeping line. Stop. Understand how to write the letter L? Okay. Please come with me. Please come here, dear child. Come here. Standing here. How are you? Okay, very good. You understand the letter L?
Yes.
Yes. Now you please take this pencil. Then first you show me your finger. Show me, open your daddy finger, mummy finger and brother finger.
Daddy.
Yes. Say what this finger? Daddy finger.
Daddy. This is the mom. Daddy.
Very good. You please hold your pencil with the 3 fingers. Okay, hold properly. Wait. Then come on. Then hold your book properly. Then touch from the which line? Starting from the this is a red line. Starting from the red line. Touch here. Then come down the standing line. Say standing line. Stop. Stop the blue line. Look here. Then make the sleeping line. Stop. Understand? Okay, please write yourself out to the red line. Stop. Then make the sleeping line. Sleeping line. Yes, stop. Very good. Very good. Again, do it again. Do it right here. Standing line. Say and write. Standing line. Sleeping line. Stop. Do it again. Say and write. Say loudly. Say loudly. Wait, which letter is this? L. Say capital L. Okay, you understand? Please take your book. Then please sit your proper chair. Then finish all work. Write finish neatly. Okay, look here. Look here. Write finish neatly. Then please say what is this?
Flower.
Leaf. Leaf. What is this? Leaf. L for leaf. Then lion. Log. Say the picture name and write the first letter of the picture. L for leaf. L for lion. L for log. Say and write the letter L. Go sit and finish Then you finish your work, then please call me. I will give one big star. Okay, thank you. Okay, dear children, please say and write the letter capital L. Capital L. Please say the picture name and write the beginning letter of the picture. L for lion, L for lotus, L for leaf, L for log. Very good. Please say and write. I hope you remember it. Now children, you have learned the beginning sound of L and how to write the letter L. Okay, you please learn and practice more time at your home. Now the time, you please stay home and stay safe. Please keep learning and we will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I will introduce a new letter and so many pictures down. Okay, please wait our next class. Then today say bye bye. See you tomorrow. Please finish your homework. Okay, don't forget. Thank you, dear children. Thank you so much.